Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sobhan. I'm an art teacher, and in this video we try to painting one landscape, minimal landscape, for example this size, and very cool and very easy. I hope you like it. And before we start the video, I want to please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you can do it, please send it to your friends. And now waiting for what? Let's get started. Before we begin, I want to show to you my painting with watercolor. I hope you like it. They are very funny, very cool, and very easy. And now let's start. I use my brush for a started. I can using my big brush at the first time. For oh shit, excuse me. It's no problem. My water a little dirty, but it's okay. I can do it. No worries. No worries. I can do it and fix it. It's enough. And then I use it blue color until here it's enough. Clean my brush and then using the red, and they are mixing together. And then at the end I use it the yellow. This is okay. And for now just I use it the water for mixing. Did you see that? It's very easy. And after this, I am waiting a little bit for dry this here, and then I use my little brush and start the black of this location. It's okay. And better than for us. Sorry, it's very little. It's a little hard. I use it black color for do a detail. Like X. Exactly like X. Then I paint in two lines. And painting the different shape for the roof. And I want to using a little like a cloth. I don't know the name, excuse me, but like this is okay. And then I'm painting one line, and one line is here. For what? For painting the electric ladder. This is okay. This is okay. And then drawing one tree. Is here. And it's okay. And now painting the sunbird into the sky. And at the end, I drawing a little grass is here for showing more details. It's easy. It's very easy. And I don't like this. Need to a little more. And at the end, it's not necessary and up to you. If you want, you can paint it. If you don't like it, don't do it. And for now I use the white pen for showing the star into the sky. Star into a sky. And just need to painting dots, and it's okay. It's enough. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my video. So it's ending. I hope you like it. It's very easy, very cool, and very funny. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me. And if you can do it, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you can do it, please share to your friend, because this practice is free. And for example, maybe you don't like this video, but your friend liked this video. And thank you again for sharing the video for your friends. Until to the next video, goodbye. See you later.